Hello everybody. Today we're going to pick a challenge lock. This one is pinned by Bronx-LockPicker 60 72817. It's called Easy Pickings number 2. And I'll tell you what, this one just got out of my naughty bucket. So I don't know about the easy pickings, but it wasn't easy at all. So we're going to try to get this on camera. It's been a fun lock to pick. I couldn't help but once I got it open to try it again, but we're going to try to get this guy on camera and see what happens. So yeah, let's adjust some things here. Alright. It's a Yale Keyway Y1, so we'll go with the 40 thousandths. And let's give it a shot. Go to the back. Click off of 5, 4, I think the main problem was trying to hit pin number 1. It must be a real low cut because I got to really cram it in there. There we go, got a little rotation from him. Click off at 2. Looking for a nice falset here. Try to find it. Yeah, this one has been hard pickings number 2. But I have faith we can get this guy cut on camera, because I'm interested to see what's inside of it. Being so crunchy and whatnot. Real tough one. Great job, Bronx-LockPicker 60. See, I gotta really work that number 1 in there. And then I'll set one, get into a false set, but it seems to drop other pins every time. Set a couple, drop a few. Hope everybody had a great Friday night. Is having a good Saturday. Kind of lost. Oh, got a little click and a tiny rotation. Got my feedback back, so I must have dropped one that I overset. Try that pin 1. It's giving me a little counter. Check everybody else out. Slight rotation from 3. Lost my feedback. I must have overset somebody. Got some rotation out of 1. I really gotta work that guy up there. That was my problem in the beginning. Now we're in a deep false set. So do a little concentrate and try to feel. Feels like counter off of 2. Slipped off him, but I got a click. Got back into the false set. More counter off of 2. Got a lot of crunching off them. Kind of lost my feedback. Check that pin 1. Make sure he's crammed in there. Yeah, this one's definitely been quite the camera shy guy lock. Feels like everybody's set. Still getting a lot of crunching action going on. Must be threading galore, or at least some super sharp serrated. Bronx, you putting out some great locks here. Like I said, easy pickings, not. This is some tough pickings. Alright, getting some feedback back here. Got into a deep false set. Looking for some counter. Everybody feels set, except for, I believe that's number 1 again. Just setting and dropping. Kind of lost my false set, losing my wrench too. Almost there. I can feel it. Feel it in my nuggets. Alright, come on, baby. Oh, nice, we're open. Open on 3. Woo-hoo. That was a tough one. Wow, 7 minutes. Let's get this guy open. Find the magic beans in here. Oh, zoom out. Make the adjustment here. Okay. Oh, hot diggity. We got open. Got my cool screwdriver. And might as well use it till the end there. There we go. Get that guy off. Put that back. Alright. Let's grab a shim. No real reference on the top to know where the shim's at, but we'll get it. Oh wow, looks like I combed that number 1 pin all the way up into the Bible. Wow, I don't know what happened there. I guess I stuffed it a little too much there. So number 1 doesn't appear to be in there. Try number 2 here. Flip it around. Looks like a tiny mushroom T-pin. Oh man. Oh, these pins are great. Can't believe I combed that guy all the way upstairs. Oh, great pins. We're gonna see those in a second. Easy pickings. Come on now. That's funny. Alright, let's try to find number 1 here. That's just crazy. There he goes. Wow. Pushed him right in. Okay. The number 1 driver out. And spring. Come on, spring. Spring don't want to come out. Get my little sewing needle. Get that guy out. Steel spring. Cool. Alright, back in business. Nice pins. Got a copper guy. Try to escape. Get back here. Get back right here. Oh, bless my stars, it's a standard. Tricky. These springs don't want to come out. There we go. Come on, spring. Alright, let's go turn it around, get number 6. What the heck? Another standard? You're kidding. No, he's not. Bronx would never kid me. Oh, he popped out. Alright, got him. And number 4. What? Another standard. Okay, I'm wondering why this lock is so hard, but we'll see in a minute. These awesome pins, these key pins, were the trick. Okay, get my ducks in a row here. Bear with me, straighten everything out. Okay, let's make the final adjustment here. Do a little zooming in. Always go a little too far there. Alright, let's get the old pointer out. Number 1 was serrated. 2 was a mushroom kind of T-pin. Number 3 is an awesome, looks like a serrated spool. It's got a sharp point in the middle there, and then it's kind of a beveled serration, well, beveled spool there, kind of mushroomy. Double serrated, number 4. Number 5 is a cool, looks like a camshaft almost. It's a spool with a wedding cake and a sharp serration on the top. Drivers, we got a tapered spool here. Another spool, a standard. Number 3, number 4 is a standard, and number 5 is a standard. For the springs, we got well, it looks like a magnetic file here. That's a steel, copper, steel, copper, and another steel. So yeah, what a great lock, Mr. Bronx-LockPicker 60. That was terrific work there on those pins, as always. You're doing a great job. Thank you for sending me this lock. It's a real fun one to pick. And you all be well and behave.